Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing these Supereq S2 active noise cancelling headphones. These particular headphones today cost around £34, that's around 40 in US dollars. Yes, the box is quite minimalistic with a few specifications to the back and the contents list. But inside the box, we have one handy, nice pull cord carry case, which is ideal for when you're travelling. Inside, we have the headphones themselves, which we're just going to place to the side just for now. We have a very detailed user manual, an active noise cancellation information sheet, and when it comes to the accessories, we have a Type-C USB charge cable. There is a lengthy 3.5mm audio cable. No, there doesn't seem to be an inline mic. But what we also have is a handy in-flight adapter, which should come in handy and prevent you from buying those very cheap in-flight headphones. I must admit, I do like this pull cord bag. But anyway, back to the headphones now, and as you can see, these Supereq S2s have a foldable design. Yes, the 40mm drivers do swivel, and do slightly extend. Well, quite minimalistic really. At first glances, these may be a bit small for someone with a large size head. Nevertheless though, there's quite good flexibility with a very sleek look, with these S2 headphones mostly being made out of ABS plastic. They do feel quite durable in fact. I do like that chrome edge detail to the outside of the driver units, and yes, I do like that nice chrome design on the volume and extract selection buttons. Nope, there's no functions on the opposite side, but what we do have is a Type-C charge port, a charging indication light, and switching back to the right side, we've got a 3.5mm port for that all-important 3.5mm audio cable, as well as a single-pin microphone. Now the padding on those 40mm drivers feels very, comfortable and soft. The ear pads are made out of protein memory foam, along with the headband too. In addition, you do get these nice little air holes to the top of the outside driver units, which will allow compressed air when the music's playing to be released. As these are active noise cancelling, you do get an active noise cancellation button, a volume up down button, and those buttons also act as the previous and next track selections. As you can see, we've got the power button just to the bottom, which we're just going to turn on just for now.
Nope.
So yes, there wasn't any juice inside the headphones, so we've had to hook it up to this power bank just here. So let's now try and turn them on. So as you can see, it's now in pairing mode, indicated by the blue and red flashing LED light. So now, because these Supereq S2s are indeed in pairing mode, simply turn Bluetooth on in your device, search and select Supereq S2, and within seconds you should get an on-screen notification. Go ahead and accept it by pressing OK. And especially with Android devices, you will get an on-screen battery percentage indication level. Let's go ahead and try them out. Okay, these Supereq S2s, although they do look rather small, they did fit my head and felt quite comfortable. Although, if you're wearing a hat, it does feel like you've got to stretch them just for them to sit comfortable on the ears. And that's what these headphones are. They are on the ear headphones rather than over the ear. When I took my hat off, compression with those soft ear pads on my ears never felt uncomfortable, and neither did they feel sweaty over long use. There is good sound seal actually before turning that active noise cancellation on. Yes, even before the active noise cancellation is activated, you do feel that some silence is actually locked out already from the outside world, which is good. But I will note that when the active noise cancellation is turned on, you will obviously lose some of that audio quality and battery usage time. I'm not saying they're bad in any way, you will still get good audio. And speaking about good audio, now we mostly tested these headphones over the past few days with that active noise cancellation off. And I've got to say, the audio is superb. Not only is the audio levels real high, but the clarity is almost spot on. You get some real good bass, which made the music playback real punchy with those midtones. No, it never felt like they was overpowering any of the levels, and that's the same with the high tones too. Which really complements these headphones, especially them being in that low mid-range category. I was expecting them to have some type of annoyance after a good few hours using them. But what these headphones are spectacular in doing is almost replicating or even hurdling over the same type of sound clarity that you would get with Beats by Dre solo headphones. And that's saying something. I mean, for the price, like I said, £34. Wow, you get some extreme punchy bass, comfortable earpads that never made my ears feel sweaty, not even once. With these headphones being quite small, I expected them to have some pressure against my ears, but while using them at work, they were superb. But what these Supereq S2 headphones have to offer are brilliantly set out audio levels that have very good clarity between both drivers too. Now note, when you attach that 3.5mm audio cable, you cannot use these headphones in conjunction with the PS4. So if you're thinking about using these S2s to do some live streaming on gameplay, it's basically best to just stick to headphones within a gaming category. Other than that, all I can say is that, as well as the great audio, the microphone clarity with these headphones, especially when using that built-in Bluetooth 5.0, well, that built-in CVC 8.0 microphone will provide you with not only good voice pickup, but crisp clarity too. Now, out of the usage times, as these headphones were stated as having 25 hours music playback time, over the past 3 days we did in fact only get to 19 hours. But hang on guys, that is with 100% volume being used. Now you can reach that 25 hours music playback time if you reduce that audio to around 80 to 85%. Just a note though, if you do turn on that ANC, that active noise cancellation by the way, you will get only 18 hours music playback time, again with that 85% volume, but you will dramatically get lower usage if you do use that 100% volume. The Bluetooth distance, yes I did indeed get past that original 10 meters. In fact I got to 13 meters before that Bluetooth connection disconnected, but that is without any obstacles being in the way. I mean, so far, everything seems to be nice and rosy. The only thing I would say is that fitment. If you've got a larger size head, I do doubt that these S2s will fit your head with ease. And that is because these headphones don't actually extend that much. Nevertheless, if you've got kids, if you've got teens, or if you've got a much smaller size head, these headphones will be very comfortable for you to use with fantastic audio. And yes, even though these headphones just about fit my head, I'm not going to take away from my overall score. If I had to rate these Supereq S2 headphones today at my usual rating out of 10, then today I've surely got to give them, you know what, I'm going to be generous and I'm going to give them 8 out of 10. But listen dudes, if you want you can go and check them out. I will leave a link in the video description down below. I'm not affiliated in any way, so you're free to take a look. And if you like what you see, well, why not go get yours? While you're in that video description guys, please go ahead and smash that like button. Very much appreciate it. Please subscribe to this channel today, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. So I hope to be doing some more unique reviews coming this week, and I hope you guys stay tuned for them. But as usual, I hope you all stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!